headed out the canal, and our new friend Ko said that we should get to the Delaware River 2 hours before the tide turns to favor us. So we left, we're following him out. It looks like we're gonna hit the Delaware River right when it's gonna be going against us. And he said that's what we want. It's gonna be going against us for about 2 hours, I think, maybe 3. And then it'll change and carry us down the river.
Right now, we've got 0 boat speed over the water, or our knot meter. Our little paddle is not spinning because we are drifting. We are adrift. The only thing that's moving is we're drifting with the current, which is going 3.8 knots. Our over land speed or over ground speed is 3.8 knots, but our over water speed is 0, because you always reference your velocity with respect to your reference point. So yeah, it's theory of relativity, and it works on every physical, quantum mechanical concept there is. It's a physical law, really, at this point. So yeah. Good morning, ma'am. We are a sailing vessel. We're going, I guess, eastbound, and we're approaching your bridge. We're just wondering if it's all the way open. We have a 65-foot mast. Over.
Yes, sir. We are fully open.
Great. Thank you so much. We'll be there in a moment. I'm very proud of you for what we went through last night, and the stuff we continue to go through. We're just like rock solid, and we didn't like run away screaming or say, "We're gonna sail the boat now! I'm never gonna go on that boat again!" Where a lot of people would. We're like freaking amazing. I was quite a rock last night.
Outbound to Starkville. Do you see me?
Roger, yeah. I'll give you a run.
On the red side, and we will come by you on your starboard.
Give way to you. I'll head off way to port.
It's 10:20 and we are still going against the current, but it doesn't seem like it. We're going a little slower than we should be. We are almost at high tide right now, and we're about 2 hours from when the direction of the current changes to the other way. So if it stays like this, it's great.
It's going to be south-southwest, 10 to 15, some gusts up there into 18 for basically today and tomorrow. And then another front moves through up over New England, it's going to start getting a little spicy again. Could be a little bit of a wet ride late Thursday, but that's about it.
How far are you just going to do up as far as we go during the day, or just shoot straight up?
We're probably going to keep going.
Right. Okay. Yeah, we'll think about it. I'll let you know for sure.
So how far away is Sandy Hook?
Sandy Hook is all the way up.
I know it's all the way up, but let me see how much further that would be for us. We have decided to go from not stop in Cape May and go all the way to Sandy Hook today, which is going to add about 14 hours to our journey today. We are approaching the end of the Delaware River Bay and getting into the Atlantic Ocean, and we're going to turn around Cape May, which is right behind me, and head up to Sandy Hook, missing Cape May, Atlantic City, and Great Egg Harbor because the weather is good if we keep going. We have enough fuel to get us to Sandy Hook. We've checked that. Stephen put out the jack lines, and we're going to be starting our alternating watches soon. We haven't been doing that because we thought we were just going to be doing like a nice, easy 10-hour trip today. But now that we're extending the trip by about 14 or so hours, we're going to have to start alternating watches. Thought we would get to our destination at 9 a.m. but the instruments are saying 1 p.m. now, so an additional 4 or 5 hours, and that is just to Sandy Hook. And now we're thinking about going all the way into New York instead of stopping in Sandy Hook. About another 10 to 15 miles. It'll be right smack in the center of New York, a view of a beautiful bridge there and the city and the statue. I think it'll be a nice little treat for us after our encounter yesterday.
Nice easy day of sailing today. Southwesterly winds, 10 knots, 7 knots. The seas are nice and calm. It says like frequent swells. The period is about 10 seconds. The period is the time point from like the top of the wave to the top of the wave. The longer that time frame is, the more gradual the swells are. So they're nice and easy, not choppy. Beautiful morning too. We're going to stop playing with sails and just drop definitely the head sail there. There's thunderstorm warnings to the south of us right now, but it's pretty popping up out there.
If it's any closer than the Sandy Hook Bay Marina.
We'll look for you right now. Stand by. Hoist anchor and sail on your boat. With love as our guiding star. We go with the flow. Wiggle it just a little. We go with the flow.